How to install the JMA UXP feeder connector. The installation process is the same for 7/8, 1¼ inch, and 5/8 inch cables. Make sure that you have the proper prep tool and frame set for your desired connector and cable size. Our example today is the 7/8 inch connector. Step 1. Prep. To begin, straighten the cable. Position the RD cutter S in the valley of corrugation. Apply even pressure while rotating the tool around the cable to cut squarely. If using JMA's waterproof solution, add the WPS boot now. Attach the SP78 prep tool to the drill. Open the blade lever and lock with the pin. Insert the cable. Actuate the drill until the outer conductor reaches a fixed stop. This will remove the jacket. Gently pull back on the cable to ensure that the tool is seated in a valley and the cutting blade is positioned over the valley closest to the end of the cable. Release the blade lever and continue until the cable is completely cut. Open the lever, lock with the pin, and remove the cable. 3 full ridges should be visible. Hold the drill and pull the stripping tool forward to eject the cable slug. Make sure any remaining cable is removed from the tool. Step 2. Install. Align the center conductor as shown with the end of the cap. Mark the cable jacket in line with the end of the connector. Use the provided alcohol wipe to clean the outer conductor thoroughly. Push and twist the connector onto the cable until it reaches the alignment mark. 2 clicks may be felt during this process. Step 3. Compress. Pull the sliding assembly back using the frame set's side grips. Insert the connector so that the connector and cable lie flat in the frame. Make sure the connector is fully seated. Press the HCG trigger until the tool fully cycles. Do not pull or push on the tool or cable during compression. When fully compressed, the connector will move away from the alignment mark. Add the connector port seal, female only, to ensure a moisture-proof connection. The port seal should sit in the flat area behind the threads. When using the torque wrench, make sure the mating connector is supported by an adjustable wrench.